Howdy, 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 and welcome to the sportsterproject.com YouTube channel. So this is just going to be a really quick video, show you a handy tip for installing intake manifold on a Sportster or even on a big twin. The intake manifold fits into these two bolts here on the heads, and then there's two bolts on the other side. Well, these are almost impossible to get to with an Allen wrench. There's stuff in the way. So one of the things I do is I take a 1/4 inch Allen wrench. I cut about an inch piece off of it. So I've got this 1/4 inch hex head or Allen head now, and that fits right in there. You can get it in the bolt, and then you just take a 1/4 inch wrench, and you can either tighten. I'm putting this one on, so we're tightening, or loosen those manifold bolts. They're kind of tricky to get to, so this little trick here just helps a little bit. A couple other things I'll do. Let me just grab it out of the toolbox. Got a couple of different Allen heads that I've adjusted, right? So cut the ends off or whatever to make them shorter, just so that you can get to these different spots. This one's actually really useful on the other side, or you can do it the same way I was doing it with this 1/4 inch Allen head that I cut off, and then just use a 1/4 inch wrench to loosen or tighten those bolts. And that way you can make sure you get a good seal on the intake. Just a little handy trick. So if you like that, please be sure to like the video. If you have a question, leave a comment. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, build, tinker, and ride.